Feeling overwhelmed? Like your heart is racing and your thoughts are all over the place? What if I told you that you could calm your entire nervous system in just 60 seconds? It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's possible, and it's backed by science. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple but incredibly powerful technique called the 4-7-8 breathing method. This isn't just about taking a deep breath. It's a specific pattern that acts like a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system. So, why does this work so well? When we're stressed or anxious, we tend to take shallow, rapid breaths. This keeps our body in a fight or flight state. The 4-7-8 method forces you to slow down and deepen your breath. This deliberate control activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's rest and digest mode. It tells your brain and body that the threat is over and it's safe to relax. The extended exhale, in particular, is key. It helps to expel more carbon dioxide, which slows your heart rate and lowers your blood pressure, bringing a sense of immediate calm. Ready to try it? It's super simple. Find a comfortable position, either sitting up straight or lying down. You can close your eyes if that feels right for you. First, exhale completely through your mouth, making a gentle whooshing sound. Now, close your mouth and quietly inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, exhale completely through your mouth, again, making that whoosh sound for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one full cycle. Let's do it together 3 more times. Exhale completely. Inhale through your nose for 4. Hold for 7. And exhale through your mouth for 8. Again. Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. One last time. Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. And a long, slow exhale for 8. How do you feel? You might already notice your shoulders dropping, your mind clearing, and a wave of relaxation washing over you. The beauty of the 4-7-8 method is that you can do it anywhere, anytime you feel stress creeping in. Before a big presentation, when you can't fall asleep at night, or even when you're stuck in traffic, the more you practice, the more effective it becomes. It's like building a muscle for calm. Make it your go-to tool for managing daily stress. If you found this tip helpful and want to learn more simple, powerful ways to find your inner peace, make sure you subscribe to our page at Voice. We share new tips every week to help you live a calmer, more mindful life. Thanks for watching, and breathe easy.